everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am just doodling today. I made some cute, I don't know, maybe Christmas trees. I'm just trying out some of my new art supplies that I got for early Christmas from my mom. So what I have are these called Kwik Stix. They're a solid tempera paint. I think they're for children maybe, but I have seen people using them that are not children. So anyways, I'm gonna play with those. I got a few different mark making tools. So I'm gonna do a whiteout pen. I wanna try it out. This is a white acrylic paint marker. I haven't been real thrilled with Posca, so I'm just trying this one out. And then this is just a new black mark making pen that I wanna try out too. It's by Tombow, and I'll put it across the screen. I'm not affiliated with any of this stuff. This is just what I got asked for Christmas. All right, so I'm just gonna doodle. Okay, so I have a few obviously already ready to practice doodling on. I'll just do a few real quick on this paper. What color should I do? My paints are very, very dry. I gotta get them wet. I don't have a sprayer on me. So these trees, you know, they're so easy. They're just a triangle. But they're so cute. I have done trees in other shapes, like puffy ones. They're kind of fun to doodle on. I love doodling on watercolor stuff. But what I haven't done yet, ever, is go back in and doodle on watercolor with another watercolor, like layer. Oh, hold on. Guys, I have 2 dogs right now. Well, I always have 2 dogs, but they're fighting over one bone, and it is Charlie's bone, my female lab. But Henry won't like cough it up like he's got in his mouth, so that's why I have to keep editing, because there's a lot of barking going on and fighting. Like not real fighting, but you know what I'm saying. Oops, way too much water. Oh shoot, I can fix it, I think. I'll show you another cute way to do a Christmas tree, which, I gotta fix this somehow. Let's make it just a little bit wider. There we go. And since you're doodling on it, they don't have to be like, you know, perfectly shaped. I'm just gonna do a thin. All right. Okay. I just feel like doodling. I don't even want to paint, but let's see. Which one should I try? Let's try a white one. So they have kind of like a, I don't know what the consistency is. Almost like a crayon, but I need to give myself some more space. I love this neon pink one. I can tell this one will be used very quickly. I'll just do like, the lines for me don't have to stay in because I'll fussy cut that out. But this is what it would look like. Let's try the whiteout pen. Okay. I don't know if I'm supposed to push it in the whole time or not. I think so. That's Charlie next to me burping. Well, that's kind of cute. Let's see. Does it go? Yeah, you do have to push it in. But it is okay. Oh, where are those 3? Where did I put those 3? Oh, here they are. See, I just put like a stripe across this one with that one of these sticks. It looks kind of cute. This one I just did the stick, the white and pink, and just kind of like a crayon. I like it. It gives it kind of like a vague decoration, not, you know. I don't know what I used on that. Oh, I used my new paint pen, I think. No, I used one of these Artix pens. Okay, so let me try, because I did get that new, I'm losing everything. Oh, here it is. This is that new like Posca type marker. It has a little bit of paint on it, you guys, because I used it this morning. Let me. So far, I mean, I like it. You know, I've only used it twice, but seems to do the trick. Since I love polka dots, let's add a few gold polka dots in here. It'd be neat to see what these, I guess, tempera paints, I don't know really what to call them. I haven't done a lot of research on them. I just wanted to try them. I saw them somewhere. But be interesting to see what they look like on like mixed media type stuff. So let me see real quick if I can show you guys something and show myself. Okay. So a little while ago on my channel, I made this art journal collage cover. So I'm just gonna try some of them inside here. Maybe try it out like graffiti. I don't know. This doesn't have a lot. I kind of like it. So I guess that I think from my understanding, it's like a paint, so it has to dry for a sec. So, you know, I'm rubbing all over it, but yeah, they're cool. I was in the market for some fun. So these are called Kwik Stix, Kwik. Of course, I want to do some more pink. Maybe some white. Oh, let's see. White, not gonna show up a whole lot, but still gives some texture, I guess. I'll let them dry and I'll see how they do. Actually, you know what? What am I saying? It's on these and it's dry, so it doesn't smear. So they do dry, I guess, right? I'm learning with you. All right, so I want to cut these trees out and I'll be right back. Nothing to write home about, but they're kind of cute. I just, this week, just been in the mood to kind of putz and not have to think a whole lot. But what I do want to do is I want to do some crafty stuff with my scrap bins. I have one next to me. Well, this isn't really scrap, but I just have like tons of pieces of paper. I'd like to just, without planning, try to make some ephemera, even pockets, whatever comes to my mind. I don't know if that would be fun for you guys, but I would love to kind of chip away at some of the stuff. It might be my January resolution to get through my scrap bins and not use anything new until I use these. Wish me luck. Anyways, that's it for right now. I'll maybe hop on later with another video. I know you guys wanted to see my handmade journal cards. Let me grab them. This is the tub that they're in. I have so many, you guys. So I'll hop on and I'll do a little bit of not a little bit, showing you some ideas on making journal cards. So I'll do that next. I want to say it on camera, so I have to hold myself to it. All right, guys, I will see you later. Bye.